We saw that EClient and EWrapper classes have various methods which can be used by our application to handle any communication with TWS. For example, if we want to initialize or terminate a connection with TWS, we can make use of connect or disconnect method available in EClient class, and TWS would return the status of connection using error method in the EWrapper class. Similarly, if we want to request historical data, we can make use of request historical data method in EClient class. TWS would return the historical data using historical data method available in EWrapper class. Now, you don't need to remember all these methods. You can take a look at all the available methods in EClient and EWrapper classes by going to IB API online documentation. So let's go to Chrome and go to interactivebrokers.github.io/TWS API. Click on classes, click on class list, click on IB API, and here we have the two most important classes, EClient and EWrapper. Let's open each of these in a separate tab. So let's first take a look at EClient class. So here we have a list of all the functions that are available in this class. Let's search for request historical data. Here we have it. If you click on this method, it would give all the details about the function, like what are the input parameters, what the function does. So it says here requests contracts historical data. When requesting historical data, a finishing time and date is required along with a duration string. So you can take a look at all the methods that are available in EClient class on this page. Similarly, let's go to EWrapper tab. And again, here we have all the functions or methods available. Let's search for historical data. So here we have it. Let's click on this. So again, it gives a description of what the function does. It returns the requested historical data bars. And here are the two parameters. The first parameter is integer, it's the request ID, and the second parameter is the bar, that is the bar data.